If you choose welding as your career, I have 3 things that it will give you. It's the 3 F's: freedom, foundation, and fun. You get freedom if you choose welding because you get a lot of money, fast money, and time off if you spend your money wisely. So number 2 is foundation. You can start with welding and have it take you somewhere else. Let's say you want to be a vet or a doctor or an engineer, but you don't have money to pay for that. Start with welding, make a lot of money, save up for the future school you want to go to or the future career or job or whatever you want to do, and then go from there. For reference, if you work really hard and you want it that bad, you can make $40K in 4 months. Okay, and then number 3 is fun. You can travel all over the place. I've been to Mississippi, Georgia, Pennsylvania, Indiana, all over the place, and I find fun in traveling, and also working for me is really fun. Using my hands and getting better every day is fun for me. So those are the 3 F's: foundation, fun, and freedom. That's what welding can give you.